Welcome to episode 6 of the proof series. In today's episode, we will be proving the half-angle identities of tangent. Tangent has several iterations, as you can see here. To prove these, we will start with tangent squared x, which equals sine squared x divided by cosine squared x. Using what sine squared and cosine squared equaled from episode 5, we can state that tangent squared x equals 1 minus cosine of 2x divided by 2 divided by 1 plus cosine squared, or 2x, divided by 2. Then we can multiply by the reciprocal to simplify the complex fraction. Then to get tangent squared to be tangent, we want to square root both sides, which allows us to get plus or minus the square root of 1 minus cosine of 2x divided by 1 plus cosine of 2x. Then let us use x and set it equal to u divided by 2. This allows us to get tangent of u divided by 2 equals plus or minus square root of 1 minus cosine of u divided by 1 plus cosine of u after simplification. This is our first identity of tangent. We will use this expression to get the other two. To find the second identity, we want to multiply the denominator by its conjugate of 1 minus cosine of u. By simplifying this, we get 1 minus cosine of u, all squared, in the numerator, and 1 minus cosine squared of u in the denominator. 1 minus cosine squared of u is sine squared of u, which allows us to have the squares and the square roots cancel each other out. Now, because of the square root, our values must be non-negative for that to work, which makes the plus minus sign unnecessary. This leaves us with tangent of u divided by 2 equals 1 minus cosine of u divided by sine of u as our identity for the second one. For the third identity, we do the same except multiply by the conjugate of the numerator, which flips the expression we get. Once we replace 1 minus cosine squared of u with sine squared of u, the process becomes the same. The squares and the square roots cancel each other out once again, and this will allow us to drop the plus minus sign like we did in the previous example. And this will lead us to our final identity of tangent of u divided by 2 equals sine of u divided by 1 plus cosine of u. Hopefully you found this video to be helpful. Thanks for watching.